Hey everyone, for this section on individual differences in the workplace, I decided to go with my issue of women working in sports. Women working in sports often see more men than women. They're held to a different standard and they're not treated the same. I have seen some changes over the last couple of years. I've been working in sports for 5 years, and every year I do see more and more females entering sports and trying to change the stereotypical ideas of it. One reference I found was Fizzle to Sizzle. It's an article by a few women, and these are just a few quotes, and it's just talking about sports has remained male dominant, and for sports media, it's typically all male dominated. One section I did find interesting is that men have not moved into traditionally female dominated fields at the same rate that women have moved into men, so it is showing that girls are trying to take over these roles.